Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company. We're doing another tutorial video that we show all of our new employees that we train to become professional painters. Today we're just going to talk about how to open up a tack cloth properly. So I will get started and open this up. They come in a plastic wrap. This is nothing more than a sticky cheesecloth, not a chicky cheesecloth. And when you open them up, a lot of folks will just use them like this, folded. This is not what you do, and I'll explain why. This is a cabinet door that we have already sanded. We've got a scuff sand on it to remove some of the sheen so we have good adhesion. We would also vacuum this with a fuzzy attachment, as well as dust brush the corners to get the dust out. After that, we would use this tack cloth, a sticky cheesecloth, to get off the remaining dust. Now, as you can see, we've got corners and crevices on this. This would be very hard to get in there, and if you push too hard, the actual adhesive or glue, I'm not sure exactly how they make these, ends up getting on here. So what we do, and what everyone should do, is these unfold, and you open them up. Now sometimes you have to really fight for the corners. It can be a little bit difficult to open up all the way. So we'll see how easy this one does for me, because I know it gets larger than this. Let's see here. Over here to the edge. So I'm glad I'm struggling, because you're going to struggle as well to try to open these up all the way. So as you can see, these tack cloths get quite large, and some companies it's about double the size of this, depending where you get your tack cloth. At this point, we just let it fall naturally into a bundle like so. And you can see we have all these little corners and points. That's what's going to help us get into the nooks and crannies of a cabinet door, a raised panel door, windows, where a baseboard or trim comes to a corner. And then what we do is we just lightly hit it. Now if this was up like this, we'd like to start at the top. Why? Dust is going to fall down naturally, correct? And I am just barely pushing on there, making sure I'm kind of getting into the corners. A cabinet door like this should maybe take about 10 seconds. And now that dust is completely off and it's ready for primer and paint. You do not want to push hard, because if I push really hard like this, I can feel that adhesive on there, and that can affect adhesion of the primer and can cause some issues. For more questions, you can call us at 574-834-3575 or visit our website at matthewspainting.com.